Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We are back in Las Vegas, and right now we are at the Cromwell. I have stayed at this property before, but I'm going to give you another peek at these rooms because there's a lot of change coming here, probably, I believe, in January. The word is that Lisa Vanderpump is taking over this property and it will become a Vanderpump property, which is incredibly great news because I could see her doing so many wonderful things. I love the vibe and feel and layout of this property, but it's very dated, and my last visit just kind of confirmed. I don't know if they're letting things go or it's just time, but really, really cool rooms, as you can see, with just some really neat decor, but again, dated, worn out. Like, I love these lamps and the little touches, but again, great things to come at this property. So I'm going to show you what they look like right now. This is a 2-queen room. We're on the 7th floor. This is room 744. As you can see, I do love like the furniture in these rooms and the vibe, but it's time. So anyway, just to kind of show you again, I'll link to my other videos that I've done at this property, and then I've got a few that I'm going to share this time. But again, so excited for things to come here. They are really spacious, great rooms, lots of storage, but just a little banged up. So anyway, hopefully that's all going to happen in January. So this stuff that I'm showing you right now will probably only be relevant until then. And I'm super excited to share with you what they do with these properties when the change takes place. But again, bathroom space. They kind of had this very cool, unique look to everything. I don't even know what to call it. Modern. Anyway, cool rooms, cool things to come. I will update this post and hopefully get back and share with you what they do end up doing. One thing that I really do like about these rooms, though, is if you can get a room with a view, they can be pretty cool. That's another thing to ask for when you check in, though, because sometimes the rooms don't really have a view at all just because of the way that this property is set up. This particular room on the 7th floor has kind of a cool view looking out towards Ole Red, Paris, the Horseshoe. You can see a little bit of a glimpse of the fountains, which I will come back at night and show you. These doors do not open. They're kind of fake balconies, but you can kind of get a cool little view here. There's a little window off the bathroom that opens up for fresh air, but again, you can't see much, but as you can see, Ole Red right there, and then just kind of this area. I will come back tonight and show you video from a nighttime view here, but again, a 2-queen room at the Cromwell on the 7th floor, room 744. Love these rooms, can't wait to come back and see what they do. Here is a peek at the view. So pretty cool, right? Like, you can see a little bit of the strip, and you can kind of see those Bellagio fountains. I'll show you in a second here where they come up over these buildings. I do have another video I'm sharing very soon that's a little bit better view. So if you're going to the Cromwell looking for a view, you might look for that other video, and I will update it down in the description here below. But this is from the bathroom window. You can kind of see over there towards the Bellagio. And then I will take you back to the other window and show you. It's not a bad view. It kind of has that whole Vegas vibe coming on in, and I did really enjoy watching kind of down below the people walking between here and the Horseshoe and Paris. And as you can see, the Bellagio fountains kind of tie everything in for me. This is a great location. You can walk to Flamingo, Linq, all the things on this side of the strip, and easy access to CVS, lots of dining. So again, for that reason, I'm really excited to see what they end up doing with this property. And there you go. I will leave all of the details down below in the description. Let me know if you have questions. Let me know if you've been, what you think of the Cromwell and the changes to come. I will say the staff here is incredible. I hope that doesn't change. It's just a really neat property, and I am looking so forward to seeing what is to come with the Vanderpump touch. So there you go. There is a peek at that. And just one last look at these beautiful Bellagio fountains coming up over the buildings here from the Cromwell. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I love a good view when I can get one. My next Cromwell room video, they moved me to another room that had an even better view. So look for that to be posted pretty soon. But again, you can't beat a good view in Vegas. I love it. Let me know if you have questions. Everything will be down below in the description. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.